J Channel, my TV and your TV. At last no, almost 1 a.m. na at least effort yun ang atong grabe ato ang the best choreographer in the city of Pagadian si Sir.
Angel Mocadoring po.
Okay. So at first no, the best yung gayo pero tungkol sa EGCP lagi nawaton sunod yung tabnon pero at the end of the day yapon pero successful no sir. Pati ba itong masaran o sa imong effort ron kay nasabutan sa talang purok no nga i-calculate lang karon na winner.
Yes po, sir. Although naatay karon discrepancies ato ang kuryente karon kadili naman jud nato mabalik pa, but we decided together with the Purok presidents including the sangguni ang kabataan chairperson and the barangay council nga we will be having our result.
Yes.
Anyway, naka-conduct naman ta og kanang top result based on the categories competed a while ago. Natay fantasy, natay production number, natay swimwear, natay gown, and we already had conducted our question and answer portion. And from that categories, we can now identify our top 5.
Okay.
And this is now the result.
Okay, sit I know sir.
Okay, this is now the result based on the consolidated effort of our judges. Okay, so we have our second runner-up, Cluster 6, our first runner-up, Cluster 8, our Tourism, Cluster 1, our Culture and Arts, Cluster 4, and our Miss Santo Niño is Cluster 5.
Cluster 5.
Yes.
So, by the way, sir, congratulations o gatong mga board of judges. Ito pangalan sa mga board of judges karon.
Yes po. We have our professional board of judges, our beauty queens, in the person of Odessa Oyales. We also have Mr. Mario Piedad Hisola. We also have our Miss Krisha Benedict and the rest of the judges that we have
So,
tonight.
thank you so much and congratulations.
Yes,
for
thank
the
you so
job
much
done.
po.
Thank you so much. Atong Miss Santo Niño, si Cluster
Cluster number 5.
number 5. Thank you so much. No, so, Cluster number 5 mo og ginahim karon nga Miss Santo Niño 2025. Japanese Live, may buntag.